Hi guys, so this is my house and this is the swimming pool. This is hindi ko alam. Basta guys, ito yung gawa ko. Back to game. Wait lang guys. Wait guys. Tara na guys. This is our food. Yung mga food. This is the second floor. My second floor. Bed. This is I don't know. There is. And let's try the house doon. Yung house pa yun or school? Para namang house. House nga, tama ako. Ako po naggawa din yan. Yung OB, lahat. Ito po yung pangalan ko. AZJ. Ginawa ko po yan. Kaya sana magandahan kayo kasi ginawa ko yan. Pati ito din, maganda din naman para sa akin. Kung sa inyo ayaw nyo, okay. Okay lang. Basta may mag-heart, comment, subscribe. This is our house. Marami ata akong house dito Ano yung nakasulat? Wait. Room, okay. Room to. Room to guys. Yan. Ay. CR. This is our CR. And what's this? Your kitchen. Tatry po ata natin yung Ferris wheel na yun. Super dami. Try po na natin. Yuhuu! Baka may masira dito guys. Sisirain na Oh my goodness, ang ganda nyo. Ganda guys. A steak. A steak. Pababa na yun guys Done. Done na ako guys. Bye-bye.